Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your bracelets adjustable. You can use any bracelet of your choice. Start by taping down the sides. Then, taking a 1 foot long string piece, slide it under the bracelet ends and make a loose knot. Now, put the string on the right side on top of the ends and take the other side and loop it under the bracelet. Pull both ends. Starting with the opposite string, repeat these same steps. I recommend doing this around 4 or 5 times. After you finish knotting, tie a loose double knot and cut the extra string off. You can slide your adjustable bracelet to as tight or as loose as it can go. Thanks for watching.